Everyone, welcome to today's video. So as you can see from the title, today is the day when I'm going to do my plan for April. I chose some flower theme this month. I kind of wanted to feel a little bit more summery and warm, so that's why I chose the flowers. I think it turned out really cool. So if you would like to see my bullet journal plan, then please make sure you stick around and let's go. I started with the flowers, big flowers first, and I decided to do blue and pink, kind of purple color. I really like it with watercolors that they blend together so easily. And yeah, as I said, I decided to do a lot of flowers. So I included some leaves all around it. And then before I started filming, I put some tapes in a square, so just to block the paint going around what I don't want it to be going around. So I used orange and red little flowers and different shades of green for the leaves. And then I decided to do the days of the month. After I'd done just the paint, I went around everything with a black pen. I did write in the middle of the square the month, and then I took off the little piece of tapes around and I decided to do the cut on the side. For the next page, I did my calendar, and then this page I kind of wanted to make it a little bit simple, so I didn't want to do too much detail. As you can see, I'm making the lines first, and then I did write the days of the week on the top. After that, I went in with the numbers of the day, and then I added a little purple color on each number as well. The only detail I did on this page is on the left side, I did some flowers with the same colors, and then decided to do some tape on the bottom of the page. Our next double page is going to be my habit tracker and my mood tracker. So first I just done all the blue flowers. I thought it's a little bit easier to just go for one color first and then the rest and carry on with the rest of the colors. This month I did a different layout for my habit. I'm gonna have to rotate my journal while I'm filling up this page. So as you can see, I've written down my habits on the right side, and I did all the numbers on the left all the way up to day 30, and then I'm just going to color in with I don't know, probably like a blue, or I decide probably when I start doing this what color I'm gonna do, but then I just do a little dot on every day. And then I moved on to my mood tracker. So this is a different layout again, like what I was doing in the previous months, and I chose 4 different moods. So super happy, average, hopefully I'm gonna have a smiley average, and then a mad day, and when I'm gonna be sad, hopefully there's not gonna be many days. And then I did this circle, so every day is gonna be one little section of this massive circle. And I tried to stick around with the colors, so I did dark blue, and I did purple, a little bit lighter purple, darker purple, and a lighter blue. Okay, for the next page is my dream and my gratitude. On the left side, I write down the dreams I have, if I have any, and on the right side, I'm gonna write down one thing at least, what I'm grateful for in a day, and that seems to help really good. I think it's just a really good habit to do, to focus on your positives and all that. And then I went around with the black pen again. I just like this theme was super easy, and it's just such a happy little theme to do. Also, I did just a normal writing on the top, and I connected the two words together. Okay, this is our last page. So I had some extra. So the left side is just a quote, and on the right side, because the week starts on Thursday, or the month starts on Thursday, I obviously don't have a full week to do, so I just did that little simple 4 days planner for that week, or that couple of days that we have left. So on the left side, I said, be enough for yourself first, and the rest of the world can wait. And that's very, very true, because we're all searching for happiness, but we don't realize that we actually need to be enough for ourselves first, and need to love ourselves first. And then after that, the world can fall in love with us. You just need to be happy first with yourself, and anything else, nothing else matters, basically. Yeah, so I did the first little bit of the month. The first day I did write April on the top, and then I did the date from the 1st to the 4th, and then yeah, that's where I'm normally writing down my task. Okay, so this is the full month of April planner, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on the post notification button as well, so you can get notified every time I upload. And I see you in my next video. Bye!